If you're still running around town and going to conferences and exchanging business cards, then let me dive a little bit into what happened to me when I finally transitioned from that type of business development toward video and podcasting. Hi, I'm Ernesto from Get Through the Noise podcast. I help professionals look and sound better on video when trust matters more than referrals. I'm not saying referrals are a bad thing. Referrals are a great thing, but we tend to forget building the trust thing is key to all of this. Before I get into the story here, just want to let you know that if you watch this video and you're interested in learning a little bit more, I do have a free webinar that goes deep dives into the process of how to get this thing going. You can go to our website, getthroughthenoise.com. Give me like 4 minutes here and I'll walk you through what I was doing and then why it changed for the better when I finally started video podcasting. For me, in the early stages of my business, it was just myself and one business partner, no help from anybody. And what I had to do was I needed to meet people. I needed to meet sales, lead prospects. I needed to generate conversations. And so the goal was about 100 conversations a year should do it for a small business such as mine, so services business that we were in. Roughly because half of those would kindly express that they would be interested, but really half of that actually were more real, legit, interested prospects. And then maybe half of those became proposals for a decision maker to make. So around 100 conversations, you get around 10 to 12 opportunities on a good year. So that process is labor intensive. I had to go into town. I had to go to their offices. I had to, even if I could get them on Zoom, it's still a lot of back and forth, a lot of like reaching out. People don't really want to hear from me. They're too busy with their day. It's a lot of work just to get 100 fruitful conversations. Well, one of the things that I noticed was usually, even if the prospect didn't want to buy from us, what was interesting was always the conversation. That piece always had interesting nuggets of wisdom, both for me and for them, because just two people coming together to share their expertise and share their challenges, disclose some of the potential if we work together, right? It occurred to me that why can't we just capture that moment? That's the trust building moment and use that as material to be shared to others. Lo and behold, that's what started the concept of Through the Noise podcast. So fast forward, 100 conversations became way easier when I had a show and I had people wanting to come on the show and I had people reaching out to me and they would come to me. I wouldn't have to go to their offices. They'd come to me and to my studio, into my space, on my schedule. It made that whole process a lot easier. And even if the conversation didn't turn into a sale or didn't really go anywhere, at the very least, we had an episode. We had a chunk of material that I could republish and show the world that here I am talking to, at the time, was executive directors of nonprofits of these folks. And I'm a peer. I'm a person that's at their level, understanding their world. That's trust building. That component dramatically changed the direction and course of my business. I've been able to scale now. We have 12 people working for us, working on various projects. The dynamic of getting a project is a lot smoother. There's a lot more, meat on the bone for all of us because people that watch our show or have come across our show because of the material that we've been putting out, the trust building aspect has already been baked in. So when I actually finally reach out to them, of course, they're more interested in what we have to say or how we can help them out. So I just want you to consider that if you're shy about getting on video or you're shy about putting videos on LinkedIn or something like that, there's a process to get overcoming that. And I'm happy to help. That webinar's that process. That's where I go through that process. Join me there. Be great. There's a little bit of a wait list. So just get on. I look forward to meeting you and walking you through some of that stuff. But fundamentally, it's not that hard. It's just getting used to something new.